English does work level fly. My new project, grading AI Evolution 4. Trip to Cimaña, Santander. In December, I'm going to travel with my family to Cimaña, Santander, the hometown of my mother and the place where my grandmother lived. This trip is very important because we will share time together and learn more about our roots. If we visit Cimaña, we always find peace and happiness. If the people of town organize Christmas parties, we will join with joy. During our stay, we are going to walk through the old street and visit the main square. We are going to taste the typical food of the town, like arepas and French coffee. If we eat local food, we always enjoy authentic flavors. If my grandmother cooks for us, we will feel at home. We are going to visit the river and walk through the natural paths. If the weather is sunny, it is always nice to swim in the river. If the day is clear, we will take many photos to remember the trip. This family project is not only a short trip, it's also a long-term plan. We are going to return every December to keep the tradition alive. If we continue visiting Shimanya, we always strengthen our family bonds. If we complete this plan, we will create unforgettable memories. Thanks.